The 100 I...
This one, yeah.
Grab the...
I see that window.
Well, we can make this more about the stuff.
Keep him down there at 75.
This is 75.
Okay, clear, please. And background, action. Okay, guys.
Action.
This is my mother, Adele. Mom, this is Frank. He needs our help.
You got a good boy here, Adele. He was kind enough to offer me a ride.
Oh. Well, he may have. We have a big afternoon. I don't think we can help you.
Oh, that's a shame. I thought we could have a catch.
I suck at baseball.
Hey, maybe you used to. Would you throw around the ball with your dad?
I only see him on Sunday.
No, I'm sorry.
I won't be any trouble.
We really can't help you.
Okay, frankly, this needs to happen.
MLS on the slate.
And background.
And action.
There we go. All right, get that bat out there. Bend your knees. Loosen your grip. Put your hands closer together a little bit. There you go. All right. Let's see it. Ready? Ah. This hand down here.
Make it sexy.
This right there.
Make it sexy.
Okay. Pull that back back. Go like this. Okay. 2, 3. Ready? Just grab the other one. Good. Just start slicing. This is all about instinct. That's it. Now don't overhandle. Yeah. You got heat in your hands, so you want to keep it loose. That's it. Okay, moment of truth. You can't hesitate. Can't go too fast. Calls for a steady hand and a steady heart.
Found him by the side of the road. Did you know he was out?
He said he'd be right back.
He's got to be in school in a few minutes, doesn't he?
And action.
Found him by the side of the road. Did you know he was out?
He said he'd be right back.
Did you know he was out?
He said he'd be right back.
He's got to be in school in a few minutes, doesn't he?
It's cut. That's good.
Sure
That's good.
When will I see you?
What are you talking about?
Do you even care about what happens to me?
What? No. What? You think I would... We're all going.
Really?
Oh my God, I would never leave you.
And action. like, you know, it's the first time, because the first time we see you, this is your introduction.
Oh, okay.
And it goes, Frank had great hands. And action. Cut. That was pretty good. Let's see if I can that. And Micah, right in front, and start walking towards me. Oh no, sorry, I went too slow. Try it again. And action. Well, that was fast. All right.
One more time. Let's have the seconds and violas. Can you start that texture 2 at the very beginning? Starting on the downbeat of 21 and then coming to pitch in a nice THX style of at 25. From the top, 8 for 3.
Two cameras. B Mark.
Two cameras, eh, Mark?
B Mark.
Yes, we're good.